Hi everyone, welcome to our day 3 vlog in Georgia. This is our last day in Georgia and a very special day too in our life. It's our second wedding anniversary and we have chosen the best places in Georgia to explore. The Zinwali Dam is a hydroelectric dam on the Arakwe River on the Georgian Military Highway. The Zinwali Hydroelectric Power Plant has two turbines with a normal capacity of 65 megavolt, each having a total capacity of 130 megavolt. Soviets constructed the dam in the 1980s. As Tbilisi was growing rapidly, there was a need of a new water supply. Government has decided that the Arakwe Gorge rich glacier water was the perfect spot. Pasanauri is a small town situated in the Dusheti district where Black and White River unites. Arakwe River is the wonder of this area where you can witness two color river flowing together. The Tetri Arakwe, that's the White River, flows from Godavari down to the town of Pasanauri where it is joined by the Shavi Arakwe, that's the Black River. Together, these two rivers continue as simply the Arakwe. From Pasanauri, the Arakwe flows southeast to the Zinwali Reservoir. The Russia-Georgia Friendship Monument or Treaty of Georgievsk Monument is a monument built in 1983 to celebrate the bicentennial of the Treaty of Georgievsk and the ongoing friendship between Soviet Georgia and Soviet Russia. Located on the Georgian Military Highway between the ski resort town of Godavari and the Javari Pass, the monument is a large round stone and concrete structure overlooking the Devil's Valley in the Caucasus Mountains. Inside the monument is a large tile mural that spans the whole circumference of the structure and depicts the scenes of Georgian and Russian history. One of the adventurous and a must-try activity in this area is this paragliding. This is the Kobe cable car, a 7.5 long cable car between the ski resorts of Kobe and Godavari, connecting the Stepatsminta region of Godavari in just 15 minutes. This ride gives you a stunning view of Kazbegi mountain at 3000 meters above the sea level. Near the Javri Pass or Cross Pass on the Georgian military road found this natural miracle, a natural mineral water springs. The crystal clear mineral water is enriched with iron and calcium. Due to high iron content, the entire area is covered with the rust. The water is cold and delicious. We just need to consume it within few hours, otherwise the minerals will be deposited inside the bottle and the water taste will be changed. Gergeti Trinity Church is a popular name for Holy Trinity Church near the village of Gergeti in Georgia. The church is situated on the right bank of the river Chaheri at an elevation of 2170 meters under Mount Kazbeg. The Gergeti Trinity Church was built in the 14th century and is the only cross-cupola church in Kiev province. The separate bell tower dates from the same period as the church itself. Its isolated location on top of a steep mountain surrounded by the vastness of nature has made it a symbol for Georgia. The 18th century Georgian author Vakushti Batonishvili wrote that in times of nature, precious relics from Maketa, including Saint Nino's cross, were brought here for safekeeping. During the Soviet era, all religious services were prohibited, but the church remained a popular tourist destination. The church is now an active establishment of the Georgian Orthodox and Apostolic Church.